Hey friends, it's Deandra. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome. Thank you for stopping by if you're new. Make sure you join the family by clicking that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So it's been a little minute since my last video of my butterfly locks, but I'm back today with a brand new style, and as y'all can see, it's mini braids. I've been wanting to try these for a while, but I thought they would take forever on my hair. However, it actually wasn't that bad. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see how long these actually took me to do. If you want to see how I did these mini braids, then just keep on watching. So I decided to stretch my hair with my blow dryer before I started on the braids. You don't necessarily have to do this since the braids will elongate your hair even without stretching. However, it's easier for me to part my hair when it's stretched and free of curls. So far, the only product in my hair is this Cantu leave-in conditioner. I applied this before I blow dried. Now I'm just going in and making my middle part and making my side part so that I can wear my braids either down the middle or to the side. Now I'm going in with another part so that I can start the boxes for my first two braids. My boxes and parts are not perfect, but I tried to just keep the same amount of hair in each section so that my braids would be roughly the exact same size. I chose to use Eco Styler for the roots of my hair. Some people choose to use edge control. Either way works. It's really just whichever you prefer. I then went in and smoothed my roots with my brush. All of this is just to make sure that my braids look nice and neat. I also went in with a little bit of gel on my edges during this part, just so that I can brush those into my braids, again, just to keep everything looking neat. Next, I went in with my Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator Gel for the rest of my hair. I chose to use this gel instead of Eco Styler because for one, it's a lighter hold, and for two, it doesn't have as much water in it to me, and I didn't want my hair to revert. And then I just went in and started braiding. The most important part with your braids is just to make sure that you keep them relatively tight at your roots. Even if you loosen up as you go down, make sure that your roots are nice and tight. Once I got close to the ends of my hair, I applied a little bit more of the Curly Magic, and then I switched to 2-strand twist all the way to the ends, and then I just twirled the ends around my finger to give me a really pretty curl on the ends. And then I just continued this same process throughout the rest of my hair, so I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch. So I ended up with 9 braids on this side, and then I just did the same thing on the other side. So I did the back of my hair off camera. I actually got my mom to help me do the parts in the back. I believe I ended up with around 40 braids, and this entire process took me about 4 hours. And now it's time for the beads. Putting these on is really easy to do with this beater tool. All you have to do is just slide the beads on, and then you insert your hair into the loop and then push the beads up. Then I just secured the beads in place with a rubber band. I beat my face, moving fast cause the Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. That was secure, like the money in a safe. I look like babe, now I'm on the way. But you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party's starting when we pull up to the gate. Girl, we so late, I'm just with the crew. We ain't out here looking for boo. Some nights be better with. And then I went in and did my baby hair, and this is the final look. I really love how these look. They are just so cute, especially with the beads. I was really feeling myself, y'all. I also love how you can play around with different styles with these. They're so versatile. Probably going to do a video on how I style these, so be looking out for that. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.